1980. Full frame on restoration. A jewel. Perfect. Perfect in every sense of the word. New American racing wheels, just made for this Corvette. Tastefully done pinstriping. Mirror glass T-tops, removable. Turns into a convertible basically. Perfect gaps. Paint is immaculate. This is a show car like no other. Absolutely beautiful. There's nothing out there like this. No cracks. No paint problems, brand new paint, rebuilt engine, only 300 miles on it. Everything is new on this car. Tastefully done pinstriping and paint. Awesome interior, all brand new. High quality leather. I even put mats so I don't damage the original Corvette logo mats. Everything is being redone on this car. Everything. Inside and out. It sounds fantastic. Incredible engine. Brought up to the L82 specs. This was originally an L48. Look at the inside of that hood. It's just as good as any paint job out there. Full air conditioning, working perfect. Everything works. Gorgeous details everywhere.